Welcome to my channel where business meets the captivating world of copywriting, marketing, and entrepreneurship. As a young visionary in the making, I'm here to embark on a transformative journey together. With a big appetite for learning, I've dived into the vast realm of copywriting, a skill that truly embodies the art of persuasion. Enhancing product descriptions and creating persuasive sales copy, I endeavor to have an immersive experience with captivating my audience and driving in results. Copywriting is just one piece of the puzzle. To build a thriving business empire in a digital age, a comprehensive understanding of digital marketing strategy is important. From search engine optimization to social media marketing to email campaigns, I'm here to unravel these mysteries and use these powerful tools to help my business thrive. Through my YouTube channel, I invite you to come join me on this exciting journey. Together, we will unlock the secrets behind storytelling, effect branding, and successful marketing campaigns. By sharing my experience, insights, and knowledge, I hope I follow young entrepreneurs like myself to step into the limelight and mark their mark in this digital era. So without any further ado, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and join the community of like-minded individuals. Let's dive in headfirst into the world of business, copywriting, and digital marketing, armed with determination and a belief that age is no barrier to success. Together, let's rewrite the rules of the game and leave an incredible mark on this business landscape.